Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to see the history of the songs that you listen to on Spotify. So first of all, of course, you would like to go and download Spotify if you don't have it on your phone, through Play Store if you're using an Android, or even App Store if you're using an iPhone. Then all you need to do, just go and sign in to create your account. Of course, if you already have an account, just ignore all of that, log in into your account, and let's just get straight to it. So let me just go here for me and wait and launch my Spotify application. So and wait until it loads, of course. So here, of course, after opening your Spotify, that will actually be your main screen. So first open, as we said, open the Spotify app for you and tap at the recently played. Of course, if you don't find any recently played here, all you need to do, just go and click at like this clock icon. It's at the right of the settings options. Of course, you can find it maybe somewhere else if you're running another version of Spotify, or maybe if even you are at iPhone. But all you need to do is just go and search for this clock, like it's like the clock icon with some 2 points there. So just go and click on that. So as you can see here, we have the recently played. So all you need to do, as you can see here, you will have the recently played actually music. So here you will see the list of all the songs you've listened to recently, as well as the date and the time when you listen to them. So as you can see here, that actually the songs that I listened to today, that the songs that I listened to on Monday, September 19, and that will be the Tuesday, or the Thursday could be on the September 15. Of course, that will give you the songs that I listened to and the dates exactly, of course, and that will be actually it. So thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.